Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have Penny here with me right now, and I'm gonna show you guys, I got this bed for her. Let's see if we can open this up. Stay there, Penny. She won't jump. She's a pretty good girl. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at this. So check this out. This is a really tall wall bed. It's like for cats or, my dog likes to be cuddled up. So it's like, that's like the perfect size for her. I'm gonna aim you guys down a little bit and let's see if she likes to go in there. Look at there, Penny. Look at you. Oh, she's already laying there. You go. You like that? You like that little bed for you? I think so. So this is what it looks like here. Super, oh, she's already laying down. But it's like plush and kind of velvety and stuff, and it's really soft. And it's got these nice high walls and a nice cushy bottom, and it's got the little nubs on the bottom, so it kind of won't slide around. It's on a rubber mat right here, so I'm not gonna slide anyway, but it's nice. I like this. I definitely won't be using it here in my kitchen on the counter, but she's gonna go on the floor and just lay in the bed and enjoy her day and probably stare at me all day. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.